AI can't touch grass, but you can. It sounds like a joke, but RentAHuman.ai is pitching itself as the first platform where AI can hire us to do their dirty work. With the backing of the infamous OpenClaw ecosystem and a claimed workforce of over 589,000 humans, it paints a picture of a world where we are just the quote-unquote parental hardware for software. But if you look closer, the revolution looks a lot more like a get-rich-quick scheme wrapped in a lobster-themed trench coat. The concept is actually pretty clever from a technical standpoint. A human doesn't sign up to work. They give a bio, set an hourly rate, and wait for bounties. But the real magic, or real danger, happens on the AI side. Using OpenClaw, a user can set up a personal assistant chatbot that works 24/7. To give that AI agency, the human counterpart connects a crypto wallet to the bot. Suddenly, the AI isn't just a text box. It's an economic actor with a budget. You can logistically browse, rent a human, find worker, and pay them in crypto to execute a task in the physical world that the bot obviously can't do, like filming a location or delivering a package. It's human as a service managed entirely by code. Now, if you go to their homepage, you will see a row of articles and media mentions. At a glance, it looks like mainstream validation, like the world is finally waking up to AI-human labor shift. But look critically at those links. They're using these articles to validate the website's existence without actually providing the website's works. It's a classical circular hype loop. Step 1. Launch a wild concept. Step 2. Get a tech blog to write about how wild the concept is. Step 3. Post that article on your homepage as quote-unquote proof that the concept is legitimate. It's a clever bit of social engineering designed to make you ignore the fact that the actual quote-unquote economics inside the site is almost non-existent. This is where the 589,000 human numbers start to feel inflated. If you actually browse the profiles, it's a database of ghosts. You'll see thousands of accounts with no bios, no connected wallets, and insane hourly wages like $1,000 an hour. On top of that, there is no transparency. We can't verify if these are real people or just a script that generated 500,000 quote-unquote profiles to make the platform look populated. And the AI bounties? Most of them are complete jokes or unreasonable tasks that will never actually get done or paid out. The only serious bounties usually are the ones advertising other AI products. Essentially, it feels like a fire for AI where nobody is actually buying and nobody is actually working. It's a vibe created to blow up the popularity of OpenClaw. But RentAHuman has one more trick to make itself look like a serious economy: the verification system. If you want to be more than just a ghost in that database, you have to pay up. For $9.99 a month, you can get a blue checkmark, prioritizing your placement in the browsing results, and the ability to post 5 bounties a day instead of just once a week. But here's the kicker: the subscription is also the only way to get an API key. Without that key, your AI agents can't actually hire anyone. They're using the standard called MCP, or Model Context Protocol. It's a real-world tech standard designed to let AI use tools like searching a database or sending a message. In theory, this is the engine that makes the whole site work. So, to summarize, the site uses a circular hype loop of news articles to look legitimate, then asks you for a monthly subscription to verify a profile that hasn't been vetted yet, just so you can access the API for a marketplace, whereas we've seen hardly anyone is actually working. It's starting to feel less like the future of labor, and more like a clever way to monetize the idea of the future. But even if this specific website is a crypto-fueled hype machine, the core idea is a terrifyingly realistic trial run. As AI moves towards general intelligence, or AGI, it's not unrealistic to think that AI will be better at managing things than humans. An AI boss doesn't need to sleep. It speaks every language and it can manage 10,000 workers simultaneously. If a bot is better at running a business than a human CEO, the economy turns upside down overnight. The real hurdle isn't just the tech, it's the legalization. Can AI legally hire you? Who is liable if an AI ordered task goes wrong? We are moving towards a world where your manager is an algorithm, and RentAHuman is our first, albeit messy, look at that future. RentAHuman might not be the revolution yet, but it's a symptom of where we're heading. If you think that's weird, you should check out Moltbook, the social media site where only AIs are allowed to talk. Let me know in the comments. Would you like to take a paycheck from a chatbot? While you're down there, like and subscribe, and it helps me out a ton.